So, you single or what? Must be hard for your bloke. Being away all the time. What was so many blokes about?
It's not a problem, AJ. So, this road leads out to the contractors' camp, right?
Yeah.
And only the contractors' camp?
Yeah.
That's a long way out.
40 k's. We're a big mine. So, did you find anything or what?
Well, maybe. I know I said that Windrow collisions are common, but this one feels, I don't know, different somehow.
Well, how different?
Violent?
How violent?
I'm not allowed to go into details, AJ.
Just tell me.
Not with an open investigation.
But no one tells us nothing.
Well, you've got EAP, haven't you?
Access portal, you mean?
Yeah, and other support systems, the chaplain.
Yeah, who also tell us nothing? It's like we're not important enough. It's a broken neck, right?
Not allowed to go into details, AJ.
Look, it has to be. Will Jordan ever walk again?
I just want to make sure that it doesn't happen again, especially now that the mine's expanding. Hey, you're going to get an army of contractors and subcontractors starting up here, and things get dead serious when you start expanding underground. Do you really want this to happen again? Then can you help me, please?
It's hard out here. But for people who aren't miners, the tourists, they don't fit in. It's nothing mean or anything, it just doesn't work out. Right? People should stay in their own lanes. Jordan was defence, why swap?
I don't know, money's good, right?
It's not worth it. They're never going to offer you a permanent gig here, not if you don't have it in the blood.
Is that why Jordan dropped out of the, what do you call it again, the rally club?
Jeez, I hope not. But no. Jordan dropped out because of a tapped head. It's no one's fault except Jordan's. No, I'm done here. Get in the car, you can walk back to camp.
Yeah, I'm coming. Thanks for that, mate.
All right.